This is the powerful GWS 22230JH Professional Angle Grinder, the all-rounder for a wide range of applications. The GWS 22230JH Professional offers fast work progress thanks to the 2,200-watt Champion motor and its low weight. The anti-rotation protective guard reliably protects you if the grinding disc breaks. The restart protection prevents the tool from automatically restarting after a power cut. For you, this means greater user protection. The compact, powerful tool for the toughest applications. The GWS 22230JH Professional.